Today's Ferrari is a 1988 Testarossa, late Testarossa. It's got bolt-on wheels rather than the center lock, which on many occasions are problematic due to rusting in place. It's got a Capri Sport exhaust, and it's been well known and serviced by us for quite some time, and it really has no disappointment. So come on, let's take it for a ride.
Okay, here we go for our cold start. And as you can see, the automatic seat belts that were required for the US cars, which are troublesome on occasion, are working properly. So let's get on the road, warm it up a little bit. Up, set the mirrors. It can be seen as quite a wide car, but it doesn't feel that way. Let's try the radio. Remember, this is one of my great ones. Open the door, close the door, open the door, close the door. I think every little thing she does, in fact, is Ferrari magic. We have AC that works very cold, which is exceptionally nice, which we will shut off now because we don't need it to be on because it is still cold outside. Your obligatory electric windows. I love this one. This is the glove box. Boom. Bam.
Did you see the mirror in there?
I did see the mirror.
That's awesome.
What do you think? This is my first Testarossa ride? The Fiat horns. Really cool cars. A lot of people are always worried about the maintenance, but in comparison to a lot of the newer cars after warranty and ceramic brakes and this and that and the other thing, I don't think servicing a Testarossa of this era is quite that bad, actually. Of course, you've got to start with a proper car to begin with. Let's see, I think second is warmed up here. Oh, yes. Can't really say like butter because they shift really well, but the gated shifter sometimes doesn't feel like it's as smooth as other cars, for instance. But it is all Ferrari, that's for sure. So we'll warm it up a little bit more, come back to you, do our flybys, and see ya. videos where we're deep. Yeah, he's deep. Anyway, getting back to the car, as you can see, she's wonderful cruising machine. Superb, 12-cylinder power. Really doesn't drive anywhere near as large or wide as you'd think. Great visibility from these two large mirrors, and especially actually out of the back in comparison to a lot of the Lamborghinis I've driven. It's really a joy to drive because you don't have to think about what's going on because you can actually see it. Alright, cruise a little bit. Enjoy the ride home. So, as you can see, she's cruising effortlessly at about 85 miles per hour. And, you know, you get on her, she just wants to go more and more. And is wonderful as a road car. So, we'll be back to you shortly when we get off the parkway. We get towards suburbia and the wonderful town of Roslyn, Long Island. In suburbia, as you can see, she does everything really well. I think it sounded great from the outside, or so Jason tells me.
Sounded awesome.
What else can I say other than thanks again. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, by all means contact us, and we'll be glad to answer them to the best of our ability. Alright, see ya.
Tom, pit.